This particular exhibition is mainly focused to give a visibility to the market, and also a lot of our existing customers are there in this show, and we also expect some new prospects who will be visiting us, where we will be talking more with them and explain to them about the value what we can bring in by working along with them. And also it gives a lot of branding for Infotech as an organization which builds in aerospace. Is the biggest vertical today, where 1/3 of our business comes from aerospace practice. So that's what this basically gives a lot of talent acquisition also for us. As I said, we have our global sales offices across the globe. So we have a lot of contacts which will be happening from the sales side, which is the front end, going and meeting the customers there. And we at the part of the delivery here, we will be talking with the customers and telling them about what we can do for them, what is the value we can bring in by working along with them. So what are the benefits the customer gets by working with us, and also by looking at the talent and the competencies, customer will assess and evaluate how we are better when compared to any other engineering service providers in India. So Infotech today is positioned as the one of the number one in the aerospace. As I said, we are the biggest in terms of the number of people whom we have, and supporting focused on the engineering services. And by looking at the bullish what is there on the aerospace side, where we expect close to $4.8 billion by 2020. So we ourselves positioned today as number one in India to grab majority of that business. This exhibition, as I said, predominantly is for a branding for us, and also to see that how we can help for new customers, the prospects, attracting the prospects. That's what we are focusing more on that. At the same time, be in the same area where our existing customers are there, and the ecosystem is very important for our aerospace business. So that's what we want to be, and the aerospace ecosystem, that's what we thought this particular aviation show will bring us a good visibility to the market. So the type of services what we can provide and how we can bring value to the customers. Thank you very much.